G'day, I'm going to go through Module A, Week 4, page 9, practice exercise 1, so factorize the following. So factorize means we're going to look for what's in the thing that we have here that we can take out. So, if we, If we start with A, B plus AC, what's in both of these things that we can take out? Well, I see A here, and I see A here. So, taking out the A is going to come out. Then I'm going to have A, and then in brackets, B plus C. There's nothing else here that's the same, so we take this out. And this is the answer, A, and in brackets, B plus C. Because this means if we went the other way with this, we would have this times this, and this times this, which would turn into AB plus AC, which is the same as what we had at the start. So, now we'll do C, 64E minus 8. Okay, now we'll start with the letter. Is that there's E on this side, there's no E here. We can't factorize out E. But there's an 8 here. Does 64 go into 8? Yes, it does. So, now what we'll do is we'll take 8 out. And how many times does 64 divide into 8? So I get the calculator, and I go 64 divided by 8 equals 8. So then I leave this as 8E minus 1. Because if I have 8 and I go 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So that's the answer for this one, is we've taken 8 out of this and 8 out of this. So for E, we have 15x squared minus 10xy. So what's on this side that's also on this in here? We've got a number. Both of these have a number. There's an x here. There's an x here too, but this is x squared. There's a y here, there's no y here. So we'll leave the y. First what we'll do is we'll take out the number. What goes both into 15 and 10? So 5 goes into both of those. We have x squared here and x1 here. So we can take one x out, but we can't take two x's out. So what we're then left with is, how many times did 15 divided by 5? So 15 divided by 5 was 3, and then x, we have x divided by x, or x squared divided by x, which is like this. X squared divided by x is equal to 1x, or x to the power of 1. Because we cross this out, this goes, and this makes this go to 1. So then we just have x here, and then minus 10, so we took 5 off that, so that's 2, and we took x divided by x is 1, so we can get rid of that, because that would be like x divided by x equals 1, so then we have, here we have 10 times 1 times y, so 10 times 1 is just 10, so we can just get rid of that, y, so that's the answer, 5x, and in brackets, 3x minus 2y. So now let's look at the next one, G, 36k p minus 24k squared p squared. So what's on this side and that side? Firstly, there's a number, so we're going to have to deal with this number. There's 1k and 1p. So for starters, what goes into 36 and 24? So I can think of 6 goes in, 3 goes in, anything else? Does 8? No, 8 doesn't. So I'm going to go, this is 6 6s is 36, so I'm going to take 6 out, and in here I'm going to have 6 minus, and then I'm going to go more, 24 divided by 6. So I'm going to go like this, 24 divided by 6 equals 4, minus 4. So if I take a k out, put a k here, this k goes away. I take a p out, this p goes away. Over here, if I take a k out, just the square goes away. There's still 1k. I take a p out, just the squared goes away. So the answer is 6k p, and in brackets, 6 minus 4 kp. Alright, I hope that helped.